I'm Nino. Welcome to Yoga with Nino. Are you ready for fun yoga? Let's stretch, play, and smile together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga videos. Today we're trying some cool yoga poses. Grab your mat and let's start together.
Sit down. Lift your legs up. Balance on your hips. Stretch your arms forward.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your body nice and steady. You're doing amazing.
Hands down. Body straight. Keep your tummy tight. Don't let your hips drop.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Turn to one side. Balance on one hand. Lift your hips up high. Reach your other arm to the sky.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat. Lift your hips up high like a bridge. Hold strong and breathe deeply.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Sit with your legs straight. Inhale and sit tall. Exhale, bend forward toward your feet. Relax your body.
Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on to hands and knees. Slide one arm under your body. Lower your shoulder and ear to the floor. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Hands on the ground. Lift your hips up high. Make an upside down V.
Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Stand tall. Bend your knees. Sit like you're in an invisible chair. Raise your hands up high.
Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Place your forearms on the ground. Lift your hips up high. Keep your legs straight.
Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Stand tall. Lean forward slowly. Lift one leg behind you. Stretch your arms forward.
Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Hands down, body straight. Now run your knees fast. Left, right, left, right.
Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe job, friends! You stretched, moved, and breathed so beautifully today. I'm so proud of you. Give yourself a big smile. I can't wait to see you again. Subscribe for more fun yoga with Nino.